Hello students, today we will clear that chapter first extension of numbers exercise 1.3 question number first. In which period and place comes the color digit in each of the following? It means we have to find color digit. For color digit we have to find that this color digit, in which period it comes and place comes. We have to write the place also, in which place it is coming according to Indian place value chart. Now we will see that here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. This is lakh. And this digit comes to 10 lakh and this is crore. Now according to period, ones, tens and 100 comes to the ones period, 1000 and 10,000 comes to 1000 period. This lakh and 10 lakh comes to lakh period and crore comes to lakh and crore period. These are the periods. So there we can see that these places and these periods, we can see that 0 is coming at 10 lakh place. These are the place. 0 is at 10 lakh place, color digit, and this digit is coming in lakhs period. So here we can write period is lakh period. Now, and place comes, in which place this color is coming? So 10 lakh. 0 is at 10 lakh place. And place is 10 lakh. If we have the place value of the digit, place value, that the place value of this digit is 0. Place value of this digit is 0 because it is coming at 10 lakh, but there is this 0 has no value. So here 0 is at 10 lakh place. Same here, number, you see that color digit 5. Now, in which period it comes and what is the place it comes. So we will see here that ones, tens, 100. This is that ones, tens, 100, and this is at 1000. So we can see that this colored place value 5 comes at 1000 place. After that, this is 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore and 10,000. But we have to find only for 5 here because it is colored digit and they are asking for finding colored digit, period and place value. So ones, tens, 100, it comes in ones period. And this 1000, it comes in 1000 period. And see here that 1000 period, there is 1000 and 10,000 place value come. So this is at 10,000 place. So both place that 1000 and 10,000 comes in 1000 period. So the place value of 5 is 1000. So we can see here in which period it is coming. In which period it is coming? So it is coming in at 1000 period. Now, what is the place of this 5? Its place is 1000. And the place value of it that is 5. Now 1 stands 100, 1000. So in the place of 1, 10 and 100, 1, 10 and 100, we will put 0 because the place value is 5000. The place value is 5000. So in this way we can find the period, place and place value. So here we have find the place, period for this color digit, and here we have find that the place and place value and period of this digit. Like that you can find for any number the period, place value, and how to put comma we have discussed already previously. Thank you. Now question number 3 of 1.3. Find the sum of the place value of 2 5s in 135006518. So in this number we will have to find the place value of 5. Here is 5 and here is 5. Now first of all we will find the place value of both 5, and after that we will add, because they are saying that find the sum of. So first of all we will see that it comes in ones, tens, and this is at 100 place. So 5 is at 100 place. 5. After that there is 2 digits. 5. After that we will put 2 0 because 5 is at 100 place, 500. Ones, tens, 100. 5 is at 100 place. Now this 5 we will see that ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So this 5 is at 10 lakh place. What is the place value of 5? After 5 there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits there. So we will put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 0. 1 stands 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 50 lakh. The place value of 5 is 50 lakh. And the place of 5 is at 10 lakh place. So we will add them 0, 0, 5 plus 0, 5, 0, 0, 0 and 5. Now 1 stands 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma. So this is the sum of both the place value in the number of 5s. Like that we can find the sum of any number of any digit, and we can find the place value. Here we can also find the difference in the place value. We will see here in next sum, that question number 4. Now look at here, question number 4 of this exercise 1.3. Find the difference of the place value of the underlined digit in that number 28773059. So here this 7 and this 5 is underlined. So we will find the place value for both the digit and then we will make difference. In difference, while subtracting, we will have to write bigger value first. So this 7 comes at lakh place. 1 stands 100, 1000, 10,000 lakh. The place value of 7 is 7 lakh. Now this 5 comes at 10th place. So the place value is 50. Now we will subtract them. 0 minus 0 0. Here we will take carry. It will become 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5. Now 9 is remaining here. So we will put 9 here. Here is also 9 is remaining. Here is also 9 is remaining. And we have taken carry from that digit, so it will become 6. It will become 6. Now we will write 6. Now we will put comma 1 stands 100, 1000, 10,000. Now 6,99,950 is the difference. So we can see that we have to write the place value of the given underlined digit and then we will subtract them. So in this way we can find the sum and difference of the place value of given number. Thank you.